Yeah, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Ajayi Pavilion, where we talk about destiny, relationship, health, and lifestyle. You're welcome. My name is Ajayi Adeniyi. Smile, your destiny and relationship coach. Today we'll be looking at very important topic. You will love to be part of this. You will love to learn from this. And this is for both singles and married. But majorly the singles should value this more, and the marriage people should also be able to pick few or two wisdom from this. Over time, when it comes to issue of attraction, there are some school of thought that believe that there are some spiritual influences on it. Some believe some physical influences on it. But how be it, in getting the whole balance of it, I also believe there are what we contribute to attraction. And it's not only about attraction, there's what we call retention. That means keeping who you attract. Over time, some people can attract, but they have problem to keep who they attract. But first, let's deal with attraction. Some people have problem with attraction. Some people have problem like people are not attracted to them. I'm looking for a better way to explain this, but they themselves look, it sounds like maybe they are not good enough. It sounds like nobody wants them. It sounds like nobody wants to be around them. It sounds like there is rejection here, rejection over them. People reject them over slight little things. Maybe sometimes people, because people get close to them, some people does not even get close to them, only seeing them from afar, people just reject them. This sometimes there's a joy about, you want to meet somebody, at the first time of meeting the person, you just feel like, wow, no, this can't actually be the person. So there are many reasons, but I'll be talking about attraction code. But quickly, let us look at what attraction is. Attraction means to attract. It means to pull to us without touching. Just like a magnet can attract a metal without the magnet not touching the metal. Why? Because the magnet carries some influences around it that has the ability to attract any metal. Is that clear? And another word for attraction, or what we can talk about attraction, is to arouse interest. Yeah, people having interest in you. Sometimes some people will say, throughout a year nobody toasted me. Some will say, I toasted 5 people, none of them want me. They did not even think about it. Immediately they reject it. So sometimes people say it's spiritual problem. Some will say heaven, or spiritual husband or spiritual wife, and the rest. How true those one might be, but also here we must also know some other part of it also, and that is why we are here. You'll find out that people does not have interest in you, and the rest we will get there very soon. Another word for attraction, or to attract, is to draw, is to invite, is to allow people to yourself. And the opposite of attraction is to repel. It's repulsion. Is that clear? Is to repulsion. Repulsion. So sometimes people find it like people tends to turn away from them. People tends to reject them. People tends to pull them off. People tends to weigh them off. People tends to drive them back. Why and why? And that is the 7 code we'll be looking at today. And the number 1 code for this attraction code is think good. Always think good, because out of the abundance of the heart the mouth speaketh. Your behavior are reflection of your thought. Your character are reflection of your thought. When you think evil, then you begin to act evil. When you think good, you begin to act good. So always think good. Let your thought be of good. Think good to yourself. Think good to other people. Wish people well. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Wish everybody well. Think good. Don't even think this person should die and the rest. Don't live a life of envy and jealousy and the rest. No. Think good towards everybody, because over time your thought is a voice before the Father, and your thought has the capacity to draw people to you or to chase people away from you. And the next one we'll be talking about is feel good. Yeah, don't only think good, also feel good by being good. Be good to yourself. Feel good. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Feel good. It's very, very important. Feel good. Don't feel bad about yourself. Don't let your past make you feel bad. Don't let your stature make you feel bad. Don't let your genotype make you feel bad. Don't let anything you might be going through make you feel bad. Make sure you feel good by putting up a smiling face every time. It also helps in your marriage. You are a married man, you are a married woman. Put up a smiling face. Feel good. Feel good about yourself. Feel good about about other people. Is that clear? It's just all about the good of it all. So feel good. Don't always feel bad. Don't be a sadist. Yeah, don't be a sadist. Every time you are frowning your face, how do you want to attract people? People will be scared. The Bible speaking in the book of Proverbs is anyone that wants friend must be friendly. And one of the way for you to be friendly is for you to put up his friendly face, put up his smiling face, put up his smiling face. It doesn't matter what you are going through. Almost everybody go through one stuff or the other, but it's not written on our face. We always feel good. We always smile good. Don't let your stature make you feel bad. Don't let your educational background make you feel bad. Don't let it be like the number of heartbreak rejection you have faced make you feel bad. Always feel good every time, because it's a strong vibe when you feel good. Yeah, it creates an energy inside of you, and that energy has the capacity of attracting people to you. The next one we'll be talking about is smell good. Yes, smell good. Learn to use perfume. Learn to use deodorant. Learn to take your bath. Learn to brush your teeth. Learn to smell good. I get what I'm saying now. Listen, have you ever passed beside somebody and the perfume or the odor or the smell that came out from their body was just too wow, just too sweet, that you have to look back again and say wow. And sometimes you even move further to ask, what kind of perfume are you using? And with the eagerness of that, you get yourself that same perfume just to smell good. Why? Because it's very, very important. How you smell is very, very important. Listen, there are some people that they smell, I don't know, some people smell animal. Yes, I've once had somebody in school then when we were young, primary school, who will be smelling like a goat. Yeah, like a goat. We have people smelling bad odor. Yeah, and people will find it out to stay because it's going to shock them off. And those bad odor has a way of affecting their health. So please stay out of it. Make sure you smell good. Take good care of yourself. As a wife, smell good. As a husband, smell good. Shave your body, shave your armpit. Don't let the work of the day still be the smell over your body, especially at night. To the couples, smell good. You finish cooking as a wife, take your bath, smell good. As a husband, you come back from the office and the rest, just smell good. Take a good perfume, take a good deodorant, just smell good. And the next one we're talking about, which is number 4, is dress good. There is a popular saying that you will be addressed by the way you dress. And listen to me carefully. If you dress wrongly, you're going to attract wrong people into your life. If you dress right, you're going to attract right people into your life. Over time, some of us, is the way we dress that has made some people to stay away from off, because over time they have this perception over us. They have this perception over us that if you can dress the way, you must be an occultic guy, or you must be a bad guy, you must be a Yahoo guy, because it has been believed that there is a way an harlot dress, there is a way good guys dress, there is a way good ladies dress. And when you dress opposite that way, people might not think you don't have such character. They're going to tend to see you in that way. Dress good, dress decent. Yeah, dress decent. The way you dress is the way you'll be addressed. Exposing of your breast does not speak well. Listen, when brother wants to pick wife, the right brother with the right sense will not be looking for a sister who has already exposed all her breast outside. They love somebody who dress with dignity. Listen, you can dress with dignity and still be hot. You can dress with dignity and still be trendy. You can dress with dignity and still be on fire. Yeah, there's a way you dress that is catchy. Yeah, there's a way you dress that people turn again to look. Wow, look at how decent she is. You can be decent and still be godly. You can dress well and still be wow, sweet to behold. So please dress well. Don't wear dirty clothes. Don't just dress shabbily, especially brothers and sisters that are trusting God for marital breakthrough. Don't dress anyhow. Stop dressing like an old papet or like an old mammy. Dress well, dress young, dress neat, and dress trendy. Yeah, stop dressing like an ancient of forefathers. No, dress trendy, dress good. And the next one I'll be talking about is to speak good, or speak good is to speak good or talk good. Learn to talk good. Let the voices from your mouth, let it be good one. There are some reason why. The reason why some wife and husband are having problem in their marriage is because the husband does not know how to talk, or the wife does not know how to talk. They just talk anyhow. Talk without not thinking of the effect of their words on their spouse. Listen to me, you must learn how to speak right, because like you like it or not, the word from your mouth has the capacity to attract certain things into your life. So when you have fun with cursing, complaining, murmuring, you're going to chase away people from you, because people think anytime you come around them, you change their mood because of the way you talk. You just talk badly. You don't have anything good to speak. The Bible speaking is, let the words of our mouth be gracious to the hearer. Yeah, let the communication of our mouth be a thing of grace, that people that listen to us get better after listening to us. There's a way you talk that when somebody is going down, somebody is weak, can easily get across to you, and by the time they talk to you, your word from your mouth has quicken them up, have encouraged them. Not that the word from your mouth have changed the whole atmosphere and it has destroyed them. For some husband, for some wife now, you find out that your husband does not feel you again. You find out that it's like you are not attractive to your husband again. It's because of the way you talk. Some husband have problems speaking with their wife because their wife does not know how to talk, whereas some wife have problems speaking with their husband because their husband does not know how to talk. As a single brother and as a single sister and as a married couple, please let us learn to talk well. Speak good, speak positive, stop negative talk, stop cursing, stop living your life on curse. Everything curse. Nobody will want to hang out with you, because before you know, instead of you blessing them, you will be cursing them. Why don't you let the word of your mouth be filled with grace and be filled with blessing? The other one here is for you to see good. Learn to see good. Yeah, learn to see good in people, learn to see good in yourself, learn to see good all around you. You know what I'm saying? Because as far as your eyes can see, that is what you're going to have. Learn to see good. See good things. Learn to see good. Learn to see good in people. Learn to see good about yourself. Is that clear? And I think the last one is for you to do good, which is very, very important. Learn to do good. But before I talk about learn to do good, learn to see good. No matter what is happening in your marriage, in your courtship, learn to still see good in the person you are in a relationship with. Learn to see good about people. Don't say so tribe are wicked people. No, learn to see good in those tribes you don't even like. Learn to see good in the other denomination. Don't say so church now wicked people, now devil they there. No, learn to see good in everybody that comes around. When you see good in them, when they come, they will be the one to prove themselves if they are good or bad. Is that clear? Then the last one is for you to do good. Learn to do good. There is a way your goodness, your act of kindness brings right people into your life. You cannot just be a wicked person, an evil person, a bad belly person, and you expect right people into your life. Nobody will want to get close. You yourself, will you want to get close to your kind of person? That is the question you need to ask yourself. If I were to be, will I love to get close to myself with the way I'm behaving? Yes, some people have this, people are scared of relating with you. A preacher was talking, he said, if you are doing something like birthday and the rest, and nobody turn up and the rest, check yourself. Some of us carry this bad habit, carry this bad attitude. We don't do good. Some husbands don't do good. They learn to do good outside, but they don't do good to their house. The Bible says we must learn to do good, especially to the household of faith. Learn to do good. Show an act of kindness. No matter how small it is, generally be kind. Generally be good to people. Extend helping hands to people. They don't need to ask. Help them. You see somebody carrying loads and it's too much, you can say, can I help you with one? Yeah, there's a way it speak around. Yeah, we have had people that have gotten married today via recommendation over the act of goodness. I have had friends that, for example, I have a friend who just came back from a travel and he was holding 2 bags. He alighted from a vehicle with his sister and the sister said, can I help you to carry one? This load is too heavy. And today they are married, blessed with children. That was just the attraction. I was like, if so person can just come up to help me, then there is much more. This person is kind. Look, everybody wants somebody that is kind. We are passing through a lot, and the best we could have is having somebody that is kind to us, somebody that can do good to us, somebody that can help us, not somebody that is just here to consume, not somebody that have the act of wickedness. No, somebody that can do good to us. When you do good, it attracts people. Listen, don't you notice that people that are kind, that are giver, tends to attract many people with them? Yeah, because it's like sugar, it's like honey. It's going to attract both the ant, both the good and the bad. Is that clear? But habit is going to attract people to you. So learn to think good, learn to feel good, learn to talk good, learn to dress good, learn to smell good, learn to see good, and above all, most importantly, learn to do good. And I believe with this, you get better with your attraction. Next time I'll be coming your way to talk about retention. That is how to keep those who you attract. It's not only enough to attract, you must know how to keep them. But please check up whatever I've said, check up your life, and do the necessary adjustment. Until I come your way next time, my name is Ajayi Adeniyi, your destiny and relationship coach. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and keep following me. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye.